I extend my warmest congratulations to the Central Civic Association Incorporated on your 10th founding anniversary. Your decade of dedicated service in fire prevention, safety awareness, and humanitarian work has made a lasting impact on our communities. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsasabuhay ng tunay na diwa ng volunteerism at serbisyo publiko. Mabuhay po kayo!
Good day to everyone on the 10th anniversary of the Central Field Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated. I extend my heartfelt congratulations and gratitude for your dedication to service and helping our fellow citizens. May you continue to be an inspiration to the nation. I'm always here to support your advocacies. Congratulations and happy anniversary.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today marks a big milestone for the Central Field Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association. 10 years of fire protection, rescue, and community service is no easy feat, and it usually requires a huge amount of passion and sacrifice. It is choosing every day to help others who are in grave danger and to repeatedly risk your lives to save others. With this, the Office of the Undersecretary for Public Safety of the Department of the Interior and Local Government would like to greet the Central Fire or Field Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association for its 10 selfless years in fire protection and rescue. May you continue to serve our people and this country with the same amount of determination when you started your advocacy. In looking forward to seeing your association flourish 20 or more years down the road, maligayang bati ulit at naway magpatuloy tayo sa ating adhikain sa pagtulong sa kapwa. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
On behalf of the Bureau of Fire Protection, I would like to extend my congratulations to Central Field Chinese Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated on your 10th founding anniversary. Your decade of service is a model of commitment of fire prevention, safety, and community care. Thank you for advancing fire safety education, empowering the youth to serve with excellence and integrity. Your efforts have saved lives and inspired others to prioritize safety and compassion. Let us continue working together to build safer and more resilient communities. The Bureau of Fire Protection supports and celebrates your achievements. More power to you.
I would like to extend our warmest felicitation and greetings to the men and women and officers of the Central Civic Association Incorporated. We, the men and women of the Bureau of Fire Protection, would like to extend our gratitude to all your support. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng inyong suporta at naway pagpatuloy nyo ang mabuting gawain sa kapwa. Mabuhay kayong lahat and happy 10th founding anniversary to all of you.
To the Central Field Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated, or CFC FRC WAI, happy 10th founding anniversary and Thanksgiving. Truly, your theme for this year, celebrating a decade of charitable and humanitarian work, fire prevention, safety awareness for keeping a fire-safe community, and youth empowerment through sustainable, quality, and excellent public service, and spreading love, care, kindness, and compassion in the community is indeed in your hearts. Giving back all the glory, honor, praises, and thanksgiving to God Almighty is a prayer for all of you. Thank you so much for being part of the Bureau of Fire Protection. May you continue your good works. Happy 10th founding anniversary po sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
Congratulations to all officers and members of the Central Field Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated to your 10th founding anniversary and Thanksgiving. The men and women of the BFP-NCR would like to greet you to your occasions today, and may the God bless us all. Thank you.
Mabuhay to the founders, officers, and members of the Central Filipino-Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated. Happy 10th founding anniversary sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much for being as partner in promoting fire safety and allied forces in our firefighting operations. Once again, mabuhay and congratulations.
To the Filipino-Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association, happy 10th year founding anniversary and Thanksgiving. Your steadfast support to the Bureau of Fire Protection National Capital Region has been significantly instrumental in maintaining and promoting fire safety within our community. Your contributions help us foster a culture of preparedness, resilience, ensuring the safety and well-being of our countrymen. As your association celebrates this milestone, we extend our deepest gratitude for your invaluable partnership. Cheers to many more years of collaborative efforts in making a positive impact. Lagi nating tandaan, sa pag-iwas sa sunog, hindi ka nag-iisa. Once again, happy anniversary and joyful Thanksgiving to all.
To all officers and men of Central Civic Association Incorporated, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for allowing me to be part of the 10th founding anniversary of Central Field Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated. As we mark this significant milestone, I look forward to the next chapter of your journey. I am excited about the opportunities that lie ahead, the challenges you will overcome, and the successes you will achieve. I hope you will remain committed to your mission, values, and vision for a better future. Cheers to many more years of growth, innovation, and service to our community.
To all the members of the Central Field Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association, congratulations on your 10th anniversary and Thanksgiving. Over the past decades, your dedication to charitable work, fire prevention, and youth empowerment has made a significant impact in creating a safer and more compassionate community. The Bureau of Fire Protection, Quezon City, greatly values your contribution. Wishing you continued success and many more years of meaningful service to our community. God bless us all.
Binabati ko nga pala mga kaibigan namin sa Central Field Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated ng isang happy 10th year anniversary. Naway pagpatuloy nyo inyong serbisyo sa ating mga kababayan. Andito lang kami para sumuporta din sa inyo. Happy anniversary!
Hello everyone! Happy 10th founding anniversary sa Central Filipino-Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated. Mabuhay kayo at magpatuloy niyo ang inyong gawain sa pagtulong sa mga mamamayan ng NCR At sana pagpatuloy nyo pati sa buong Pilipinas. God bless you at mabuhay ang inyong asosasyon.
Congratulations to Central Filipino Chinese Fire and Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated in celebrating their 10th founding anniversary. Greetings from Epo Nanjumedulansa from Pasig Central Fire Station. With love.
Magandang araw po sa inyo. Nais ko pong batiin itong Central Phil Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association na kung saan ay mahigit 10 years na kayo nag-ooperate. So what I have to say is I wish you all the best in your success in helping our fellow Filipinos, especially dun sa parang bayanihan system na representa ninyo. So on behalf of Bitag and my father as well, Ben Bitag Tulfo, and I, Carl Tulfo, wish you all the best and good luck sa pagtulong sa ating mga kababayan. And may God give you and more blessings to come and for more years to come for your organization as well.
Binabati ho natin ang mga miyembro at opisyal ng Central Phil Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated sa kanila pong ika-10 taon na founding anniversary po at Thanksgiving. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Sana po patuloy po kayong rumisponde sa ating mga kababayan na lubos na nangangailangan po ng inyong pong serbisyo. Siyempre, lagi pong sinasabi sa inyo, kapag nagbibigay ho ng tunay na serbisyo, we thank you for your service, mga sir at madam. Good luck po sa inyo. Sana po patuloy pa rin po ang inyong pong pagtulong sa ating mga kababayan dito sa bansang Pilipinas. Congratulations everyone.
Good afternoon. Greetings of peace, justice, and truth from Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption. Kami po ay bumambati ng isang maligayang 10th founding anniversary ng Central Filipino Chinese Fire Rescue Civic and Welfare Association. Mabuhay po kayo at thank you, salamat for doing all the good deeds as volunteers in firefighting. Parang parehas po tayong volunteer. Kami naman po sa crime and corruption. 27 years na rin kami. So, I wish you more years and thank you for all your good deeds, Filipino-Chinese firefighters. Good deeds for the Filipino people and for the nation. At lagi po kayong mag-iingat. At alam namin yung bawat labas nyo in firefighting kaagibat ito, it entails danger sa inyong lahat, no? Kaya we salute you at I hope one day somehow ang VACC at ang grupo po nyo ay magsama-sama for a common good. Mabuhay po kayo at a happy Chinese New Year. Enjoy this festive day. Salamat po.
Pleasant greetings, Mr. Henry C., the President of Central Civic Association. Congratulations on your 10th founding Thanksgiving and anniversary. May you continue to thrive and continue your volunteer work as you inspire many people in loving the essence of communitarianism. Keep it up, my friend, and God bless you always.
Good day to the officers, members, and volunteers of the Central Phil Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated. Likewise, let me also greet and congratulate your founding president, Mr. Henry A. Sin. It is my great honor to greet you on the occasion of your 10th founding anniversary and Thanksgiving celebration. Congratulations on a decade of unwavering dedication to charitable and humanitarian work, fire prevention, safety awareness, and youth empowerment. Your tireless efforts to build a fire-safe and resilient community while spreading love, care, and kindness embody the true spirit of volunteerism and public service. As we celebrate this milestone, Let us give back all the glory and honor to God Almighty for guiding your organization in making a meaningful impact in the lives of many. Your commitment to excellence and sustainability is an inspiration to everyone in our community. On behalf of my family and the rest of my team, I commend your selflessness and service. May you continue to empower others and pave the way for a safer and more compassionate society. Congratulations once again, and may you have many more years of success and service ahead. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Bong Nebriha, Mentor 91 ng Metro Manila. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Congratulations, Central Field Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated on your 10th founding anniversary sa pamumuno ni Henry Sin. Salamat sa mga pagtulong ninyo sa ating mga komunidad sa pagpuksan ng sunog, ng voluntarismo, pagbibigay ayuda sa mga nangangailangan. And again, maraming salamat. Sana pagpatuloy ninyo inyong mga gandang adhikain at gawain sa ating komunidad sa tulong ng ating Panginoon.
Mabuhay Central Civic Association, lalo na kay Sir Henry sa inyong 10th founding anniversary. Continue to be the guardian of safety for our community. There's a saying, a Jewish saying, no? When you save one life, it is as if you have saved the world entire. Hindi lahat ay nabiyayaan ng talent ng Panginoon para magsagip ng buhay. Kasama kayo sa nabiyayaan. So, sa inyong 10 taon, continue to be a blessing and testimony to our ailing community. Again, padayon sa inyong adhikain upang maging ganap na ligtas ang bawat mamamayan at ang bayan. Mabuhay kayo!
Congratulations to the Central Civic Association Incorporated on your 10th founding anniversary. May you continue to inspire and uplift the Filipino community with your unwavering commitment to compassion and excellence. Muli po, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagserbisyo.
Mabuhay ka! Happy 10th anniversary sa inyong asosasyon na Central Civic Association na 10 taon na lumipas ng panahon at pagtulong natin sa awang gawa, lalo-lalo na pamakaitulog sa ating mga inasaukan. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo lahat sa ating servisyo. Mabuhay tayo lahat!
Congratulations, Central Filipino Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated on a decade of impact. As we celebrate this remarkable milestone of 10 years dedicated to charitable humanitarian work, fire prevention, and safety awareness, we honor the incredible journey you have embarked on. Your unwavering commitment to fostering a safe community and empowering our community through sustainable and quality public service is truly inspiring. Over the past decade, your efforts have not only raised awareness but also about fire safety, and you also spread love, care, kindness, and compassion throughout our community. You have built a strong foundation where safety and empowerment thrive, making a profound difference in the lives of many. Thank you for your hard work, passion, and dedication. Hoping for more years of positive change, community support, and a brighter years ahead. Again, congratulations.
Central Field Chinese Fire and Rescue, congratulations on reaching your 10th founding anniversary. Keep on serving. Maraming salamat sa serbisyo ninyo. And thank you for lowering the statistics ng mga tao na papatrobol. Mabuhay kayo, pagpatuloy niyo yung pagkakawang gawa. And here's cheers to another decade ng pagsaserbisyo ninyo.
Pleasant afternoon to all the officers, members, and directors of the Central Filipino-Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated. In behalf of the Emergency Rescue Association, yours truly, Epsilon 1 would like to extend my 10 years greetings to your organization. Keep up the good work. Okay, be one with us in all endeavors towards community service, public service, and to make the lives of our countrymen better. So, more years to come, and congratulations for a job well done.
Hi, this is Edwin Go of Motorsiklo Exclusivo of DZME 1530 Radio TV. Gusto ko po kayong batiin ng happy 10th founding anniversary sa inyong lahat at lalong-lalo na sa inyong founding chairman na si Henry Sin. Ipagpatuloy nyo ang inyong napakagandang gawain at sana po mabless po kayo parati ng ating Panginoon at maging ligtas kayo sa inyong mga gawain. God bless and happy anniversary.
我是菲律宾中正学院的叶启明校长，祝贺飞华中亚消防救援社会公益总会创立10周年庆典圆满成功。I'm Dr. Jude Liap of Chiang Kai-shek College. Let me greet the Central Filipino-Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated, or more popularly known as the Central Civic Association, a warmest congratulations on your 10th founding anniversary. Your role in providing fire prevention activities, humanitarian work, all the safety awareness programs that you're having, and all the various voluntary programs that you have been doing for the last 10 years is by no means a simple feat. And for that, we, the members of the Chinese Filipino community, are very, very proud of all of you. Again, my warmest congratulations.
I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate the Central Filipino-Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated on the occasion of your 10th founding anniversary and Thanksgiving. Your civic organization has always played a vital role in helping save lives and properties of our kababayans. Your spirit of unity and volunteerism is highly commendable as you give your utmost importance to be of service to the public and to the nation as whole. Again, my sincerest congratulations to all the officers and members of your STEAM organization. Mabuhay and more power to all of you.
Hi! Ako po si Mon Gualvez ng TV5, Radio 5 at ng 1PH at bumabati lamang ng happy 10th founding anniversary sa Central Phil-Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association, Inc. Mga ma'am at sirs, napisalute po sa inyo sa isang dekadang pag-aalay ng inyong mga sarili, oras at mga resources ng walang hinihintay na kapalit. Cheers! And to more years of volunteerism and public service. Mabuhay po kayo!
Sa lahat ng miyembro at voluntaryo ng Central Phil-Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated, kung saan pinamumunuan ito ni Henry C. ng aking kaibigan. Congratulations sa inyong lahat and happy 10th anniversary. I know na mas marami pa ang inyong magagawa na serbisyo para sa ating mga kababayan, kung kaya keep the power, keep the fire burning in your hearts, and thank you for rescuing lives of others. Congratulations again and happy anniversary.
Happy 10th year anniversary po sa inyo, Sir Henry Sin, at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Central Civic Association sa 10 taon na tumutulong at nag-educate sa ating mga kababayan. Kami po sa ABB Party List ay kalabay ninyo at patuloy na nagtataguyod sa mga gawain makakatulong sa ating kapwa voluntaryo. Mabuhay po kayo.
Hi po!
Punong Barangay Sara A. Bernardino po ng Barangay Salvacion, sa Central Phil Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated. Happy 10th founding anniversary po and Thanksgiving sa inyong lahat. Saludo po kami sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Sa Central Phil Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated, happy 10th founding anniversary and Thanksgiving po sa inyo. On behalf of Barangay Salvacion, of course with Sara A. Bernardino and Council, maraming pong salamat sa palagiang pagtugon sa aming mga requests and assistance po ng aming mga barangay constituents. Again, maraming salamat po. Saludo po kami sa inyong lahat.
Happy 10th founding anniversary to the Central Civic Association Incorporated. I would like to express gratitude to each and every one of you dahil alam po namin na ang tulong nyo ay nakakatulong sa buhay ng mga Manilenyo. Dapat kayo'y magparami pa, ika nga ni Yorme, dapat kayo ay maulanan para dumami pa kayo na tumutulong sa buhay ng mga Manilenyo. And I'd like to let you know that together with Yorme, we will support your cause. Dito lang po kami sa Gedmi. Atienza po ito.
Hi and happy 10th founding anniversary sa Central Phil Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated. Sana ang inyong selebrasyon ay maging masaya, maayos, masigla, and maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga naging tulong po ninyo sa ating mga kapwa Phil Chinese, ating mga kadistrito sa Binondo, Chinatown, ating kadikulas at lahat. And hopefully, ang inyong selebrasyon ay maging maayos. Hope to see you soon and happy advanced Chinese New Year sa inyong lahat. Mag-iingat po kayo. Ito pong inyong lingkod, the Konsehal Tol Sarkal. And as always, God first.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko lamang po kayo batiin ng isang 10th year anniversary po sa Central Civic Association. At kami ay buong pusong nagpapasalamat po sa inyo sa walang sawang pagtulong nyo sa ating kapwa. At kayo po ang isa sa ating mga bayani. Muli po, happy 10th year anniversary po. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat. Enjoy.
Good day. This is Gladwin So to the Central Filipino Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association. Congratulations on 10 incredible years of service. Your courage, teamwork, and dedication have manifested in the lives that you have saved and touched. Wishing you another decade of saving lives and making our community safer. Salute!
Ako po si Luisito Santos, reporter po ng GMA Super Radio DZBB. Nabalitaan ko, nagdiriwang ng 10th founding anniversary ang Central Civic Association Incorporated. Mantakin nyo, umaabot kayo ng 10 taon, dapat lang talaga. Kasi sa dami ba naman ang tinutulungan ninyo, talagang dapat pinapahaba pa yan. Sana umabot pa kayo ng golden hanggang sa 100 taon. At syempre ako po nagpapaabot ng pagbati sa ating founding president na si Sir Henry Sin. Yan taong yan yan ang marunong hindi tumanggi. At yan ang taong hindi natutulog. Makaamoy lang ng usok yan at saka makaamoy ng sugat. Talagang hindi pwedeng hindi lalabas ang kanyang ambulansya at fire truck. At walang atubiling magre-respond yan sa mga taong nangangailangan. Ayan, unang-una po sa lahat, congratulations po sa Central Civic. At sana po marami pa po kayong matulungan nating mga kababayan. Sana po ay humaba pa po ang buhay ng lahat ng mga miyembrong umaanib sa inyong grupo. Mabuhay po kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Hi, this is Nelson B. Congratulations, Henry, on your 10th anniversary for the Central Fire Civic Association. Keep up the good work and let us continue to partner in order to support more. Thank you.
Fire Central Civic Association Incorporated po. Ito pong Fire Brigade Volunteers. Okay, pakisabi na lang, Domer, kung ready ka na at thumbs up. Okay, ako po babatiin ko lamang po ng happy 10th founding anniversary ho. Ito pong Central Filipino Chinese Fire hindi ko masyadong mabasa. Fire Rescue Civic Welfare Association Incorporated sa pamumuno po ni Sir Henry Sin. Sila po ay walang sawa po talaga sa kanila po mga programa at proyekto, katulad po ng kanila pong tima ho ay celebrating a decade of charitable humanitarian work, fire prevention, safety awareness for keeping a fire safety community, and youth empowerment through sustainable quality and excellent public service, and spreading love, care, and kindness in the community. Ang programang huli ka ni Jojo Sibial sa DWBL 1242. Jojo Sibial po ang inyong angkor sa araw na ito. Sumasaludo po sa Central Filipino-Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Happy 10th founding anniversary, and thank you sa lahat ng assistance, and sana marami pa po kayong matulungan sa inyong organization. So more power to you.
Happy 10th year anniversary, Central Civic Association. God bless you.
Hello! Happy 10th year anniversary, Civic Central. God bless you from St. Vincent de Paul Shelter for Girls. Mr. Sheila.
Happy! 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 Happy 10th year anniversary! Central Civic Fire Association! We are! Dito tayo! We are! Hometown Volunteer!
Nasa bumubuo ng Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office along with City Fire Search and Rescue Team. Kami po ay bumabati sa Central Filipino-Chinese Fire Rescue and Civic Welfare Association Incorporated na Happy 10th Founding Anniversary! God bless and thank you for your service!